This is nothing. Whenever the serious issue comes up against the Bharatiya Janata Party and Mr. Surrender Modi, they have the trick to divert the issues, and by serving the notice to All India Congress Committee office and the Youth Congress office, they try to browbeat us. In no way they can browbeat us, but we are not the timid, coward people like Surrender Modi. We will fight them. If at all, if they want to give the notice and vacate the premises of the Congress party or its group, and they should also vacate all the illegally occupied some of the offices of Sangh Parivar and Bharatiya Janata Party in Delhi and all over the country. For example, in Bangalore, they have taken over about 106 acres of land for Chanukya University, which cost about 600 crores. But they have got for the peanut 50 lakhs rupees, they have bought this land. And they make all illegal activities and illegal business, and they want to teach us the lesson by sending the notice. We are not going to succumb to that.